Today I'm up near Old Rocca, near the old church of San Pietro. There's something new that was added here this Easter. It was made from a local craftsman who's really brilliant with his work. He used some local wood from Old Rocca that was handed down to him from his father. It's probably centuries old, and he built this wonderful frame to celebrate peace in this world. And it's just one other thing you can come to up to Old Rocca to drive up and see on your way to the big bench. So I encourage everybody here. It's very Instagrammable. You can stand there with the church in the background. So I really encourage all of you. And if you do have that chance to come up here, summer's coming up. People are going to be on vacation. I encourage you to come to Roccaspinalveti and visit these sites. Take photos. You can share them with me. You can share them with the world. If you want to share them with me, I'll compilate a video and we'll put all the photos together on here in the big bench. I just ask everybody, be respectful, be cleanly, be nice to each other. That's the whole point of this. And when you're here, of course, go into town, visit some of the local businesses, say hi to everybody. Everyone says ciao, buongiorno. It's a really great place, and I'm looking forward to a lot of people coming here to visit for summer and seeing these photos in here and up the hill on the big bench. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.